for coming here today for Body Shop and the unveiling of their new store. I'm very, very excited, and I'm glad that you all are here today to be part of that excitement with me. And we're also launching some amazing new products because Valentine's is coming close, and I hope all of you have a Valentine's date. Does everyone have a Valentine's date? I don't have a Valentine's date, so... It's not nice, trust me. My Valentine's date is Roy. So I'm going to be at the theatre. I hope all of you guys will be there. And we are here today for Body Shop. So can I hear a big, loud shout for Body Shop, please? I want to hear Body Shop. Can you say Body Shop for me? With some love? Body Shop! Body Shop! Will you go see their store? Will you buy your gifts for your Valentine's from Body Shop? You have to.
And we are even more happy because we get to see our favorite actress, and that too in Valentine's season, and that too in red color. It just couldn't get more perfect.
I'm so ready for Valentine's.
How can we love a red dress?
I think the boys really like my red dress.
Yeah,
we're all the girls. The girls should be liking my dress also. There's someone.
Okay, there's one. Okay, and as you said, that there are some really cool fragrances, and the one that you were holding the cutout of, the red musk, you're wearing the color for that also.
Yes.
Okay, so how about that fragrance? Have you tried that?
Well, first of all, let me say one thing. Fragrance is the most important thing. I think when before you're about to step out for a date, or even just I think a social etiquette, it's really, really important that you smell nice because it also makes you feel good about yourself, to pick a scent that suits your mood. I think red musk is the most apt fragrance right now with Valentine's Day approaching because it's a little bit naughty, but it's sweet as well. And there's something very sensuous about this fragrance. So I'm very excited. I think it's going to do very well. I think it's going to be a pretty amazing Valentine's Day gift for anyone, and a great fragrance to wear as well on Valentine's.
So it's naughty, it's sweet,
and it's sensuous.
It's sensuous
at the same
Sounds
time.
Like Jacqueline, right? Sounds a lot like Jacqueline. So I think from what you say, I think you're already in love with Body Shop products.
Obviously.
Right?
Yes, I think actually I'm going to take Body Shop on a date with me to see Roy for Valentine's.
Wow, that's going to be the coolest date, and I think the Body Shop team is going to love it!
Yay! You guys are going to be my Valentines.
Yes, and see, the thing is, you cannot have a Valentine without proposing. So why not? I'm sure.
Proposing what?
You've always been proposed. I'm sure you've been always on that other side where you're always being wooed and you're always being swept off and proposed and sung for. I know that's a definite lie.
Maybe in the movies.
Okay, let's say in the movies. Okay, let's say in the movies. But now let's twist the plot and let's have a proposal from you. A song for Body Shop, for your love for Body Shop.
A romantic song for Body Shop. I don't know. Can you guys help me here? What's your favorite romantic song? Janil, what's your favorite romantic song?
Has to be Jacqueline's.
Tu hai ke nahi? Yara Re? Chittiya Kalaya. It's a romantic song. It makes you feel romantic. Huh? You only like the dance in that. Okay, fine. I don't know if it'll make a good romantic song though. But yeah, maybe your girlfriend might like to hear Chittiya Kalaya on her date, on Valentine's Day.
How about Lat Lag Gaye? Because it seems like आपको Body Shop के products की लत लग गई है.
Yes, Lat Lag Gaye. Why not?
Guys, you'll sing with us Lat Lag Gaye?
No.
क्यों आपको लत नहीं लगी है जैकलिन की? हाय हाय. अच्छा लत लगी है कि नहीं? आप लोगों को लत लगी है कि नहीं? Okay, so just that one tagline of your very super hit song "Lat Lag Gayi." मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई. Everyone together, okay? And you will all also sing "Lat Lag Gayi, Lat Lag Gayi." Ready?
Okay. You have to help me.
Yes.
Okay. मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई ज़माना कहे लत लग गई मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई. You guys are very bad backup singers. I did all the singing.
Not dependable at all.
It's okay.
But it's okay. It's in their heart. It's deep feelings. It takes time to come out.
They're here at least.
Yeah, they're here at least. Maybe they're overwhelmed. Okay, so we've had the song. So the date is pakka, Body Shop. The date is on.
The date is on.
So the date is on, and I've always seen you at Body Shop events. Really excited, as bubbly as ever. This event, especially, what's so exciting about this particular event?
Well, their store it's a new store. We're very excited about that. And obviously with the introduction of Red Musk perfume and Valentine's Day around the corner, I think I'm very excited because I know the products there are fantastic for Valentine's Day gifts and great products to wear as well on your date. So I'm just excited for everyone else. Yeah.
So new store, and you're excited for your fans.
I'm very excited
because there's a new place to shop.
New place
One
to
more
shop,
place.
New products to shop as well. So you can't be complaining.
Definitely not. Rather, you can be only as excited as you see Jacqueline today. All smiling, happy, and so very bubbly and charming as always. देखिए, आप लोगों का काम मैं कर रही हूँ, है ना? ये सब तारीफ आप लोग के दिल में है, but I'm doing it for you. And actually, as you said, कि it's a season to express love. We had a competition where we asked our visitors to express their love. So in that competition, we have 3 lucky winners who really expressed their love very beautifully.
Love to hear this.
Yeah, so we have 3 lucky winners. So shall we call them on stage to give them a prize?
Please.
Okay guys, so express your love contest के 3 lucky winners live interaction round के जिनका नाम है, I want them to come on stage. Poonam Ambawat, Nidhi Modi and Purvi Shah. Making memories for Valentine with the Red Musk fragrance in their hand. They won the Red Musk fragrance. Congratulations. And if you want your own Red Musk, you can get it from the store in a while. And it's a beautiful fragrance, as you know that it's Jacqueline's latest favorite fragrance, the Red Musk. Okay, we have lots of friends and fans of Jacqueline. And everybody, don't forget all our social handles, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, thank you.
This is a very special fan of mine, Janal. And he's been a very good supporter and he loves Body Shop also. So it was very apt that he was here today on stage. Are you happy you're here for Body Shop? Yeah? Okay, good.
Okay guys, we are about to leave now for the inauguration, but before that, I want Jacqueline to say I love, and we all will say Body Shop. Okay?